So hello friends, welcome back to my new video, and in this video we're going to see about loops in Python. So basically there are two types of loops. First one is while loop and second one is for loop. So in this video we're going to see about for loop. Okay, so we'll create a file named for loop. For loop will make like this only, for loop dot py. Okay, dot py, and code will be given in the description below. So now suppose there is a list, the name is item. Okay, items we will give, and we will write something like we will give orange, we will give some fruits, a potato, watermelon, and we will write apple. Okay, this much will be okay. So now we will print items. Okay, so the second terminal is starting. So we got a list printed over here. So now if I say you have to print orange first, then potato, then watermelon, then apple in a sequence, how you can do that? So for this work we use for loop. Okay, so for loops is very much commonly used, okay, to run a single function or something like this. So how to create a for loop? So suppose now that is a list. Okay, so we have to write for. Okay, for now we have to define a variable. Okay, for it, for now we will do for item in items. Okay, and we will add a colon, and now if you will see, if we add the colon and press enter, we got here a tab, means we got here more extra space. Okay, if on your keyboard you press tab, means you got the same. So you can do print items. Okay, so if you print now, sorry, here you can see we'll print not items, you will print item. Okay, so we got everything in a line: orange, potato, watermelon, apple. Okay, so now what is the item over here? Okay, so this was our list items. Make sure that S different is there, items and item. So item, we created a new variable. In that we stored everything: orange, potato, watermelon and apple from this variable, from this list, and then we print item in a row. So this is of how you can create how you can run a loop or this all stuffs. So we will see more looping through a string. So there are some method also. For now we will comment this, and now in items, and now we will add a string. Okay, so we will give a banana, and now we will print items. So here you can see we got everything in a row, B first and then A and A and A. Okay, so this was how you can loop through a string. And there is a function named break statement. We can stop a loop before it has been looped all through an item. So we will copy the statement, we will comment this all, then I can explain you what is this. So there is a variable, there is a list named fruits, and there are some fruits, and now we use the function to print the fruits. For x, means x we defined a variable, and in that x we stored apple, banana and cherry, and then we printed it. So now there is a function: if x equals banana, then break. Okay, so this we will not go in deep because we haven't learned about conditional statements. Okay, if, else. Here you can see next video I will try to cover this all, and we will cover this the basic also. Okay, so let us check something else. there are something more. What is this? We will check this. So there is a function named range function. Okay, so we will use this for items in range, and then round brackets, and now you will add 6. Now we got 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5, and like that. I said you Python last number is excluding, so if we add 7, then we get still 6. Okay, so we can give 2 parameters also, like between 2 to means you have to print the numbers between 8 to 8, then comma, and then number 15. So 8 to 15 we will get every number, means first number is including and last number is excluding, right? Was the same. So this is some functions, and this all you can see from 20 to 30 and then 3. Okay, so this all excluding you can do. So this all you can check this on this website, link will be given in the description. So basically for loops are little large, so but we haven't studied about if and else, so we will first study them. First we will learn them, and then we will do the if else, means we will do the loops other, then you can understand it properly. So wait for the video, you will get that. So let us do some exercises. Loop through item in the fruit list. Okay, so we'll add first for x, and then you have to add in. Okay, so if we print, we got something wrong over here, and okay, sorry, we hadn't sorted this, so we have to add a colon to. Oh, sorry, yes, it's correct. Next one, fruits equals apple. Okay, in the loop, when the item values banana, directly jump in the next item. Okay, so this we will do next time. So we will see question 3. So range number. Okay, so we will do range, and then colon, and inside of this we will type 6. Range to a loop, putting okay, this is the same answer, right? So we will not do this because it's if else. So this was for the loops video. Next video will be of while loops. While loops is pretty much easy. Okay, so before while loop we will see about first if and else, because it will be much easier to learn. Okay, so this was for the video. How did you like? Comment me down in below. Follow me on my Instagram, and bye.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder, cause they treat me like an outcast.